Okay, it's day 5 or 6, I don't remember now, of the roof vent project. Hey, we finally got all the screws started into the metal plate that was on top, the one I was cutting on the other day. And this be the metal plate. We did get it off just now, so I'm cleaning off the back end of it. And then we're going to put it back on with this tape stuff. I don't know what it's called, but it's real like puttyish. We're going to put that between the roof and the metal plate. And that's where I'm at. Hey, there's the metal plate that was under the roof, the vent. We did get it off and clean it off. And I like that, and Tina's got half the frame out.
Plan alternation.
Best laid plans always change. Oh, bejeebus. And there it goes. Got on your foot?
Yeah.
Big hole in the top of the roof. No problem.
I like it better already. It's masterpiece all over.
There is the problem.
I think this is just going to have to come out.
That whole square?
No,
or just the corner?
We put that little L in there that we bought. I think it's going to be perfect.
Sounds like a plan. Down the screws. It's been a long day. Long day. Come on, get in there. Not so bad once the screws have been started. Then progress is quite a bit faster. Yeah. The music? I don't know who sings that. I can't. Like Black? Maybe? I think. Okay, that's it for that stuff.